Hi, I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru, and today I'm going to make one of the most awesome dishes in culinary history. To make my lobster bisque, there are no shortcuts. We start by cooking lobsters in boiling water. Remove the lobsters from the water and allow them to cool to room temperature. Then we reduce the cooking liquid until there's only 1 quart left. The meat in the lobster is in the claws, the arms, and the tail. To dissect the lobster, we remove the tail from the body, put the head and the body in a bowl. Remove any rubber bands, pull off the arms and the claws, and then separate the arms from the claws. Cut the tail meat in half. Remove the meat from the shell and place the good meat on a plate. Place the shell in the bowl. Remove the meat from the claw by cracking the claw here. Then we take our scissors, cut along the claw. Separate and extract the claw meat. We're going to place this gorgeous lobster meat in the fridge while we work on the broth for the lobster bisque. Heat a large saucepan to medium-high, add olive oil, chunk of butter, vegetables, put in the lobster bodies, add this to the stock pot. Cover it and let it simmer very slowly for 1 hour. Strain the lobster broth. To make the bisque, heat a half a stick of butter in a skillet. Add a half a cup of diced onion, a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a tablespoon of minced shallots, half a cup of all-purpose flour, and stir to form a roux. Add 2 cups of our lobster broth. Going to reduce the heat to simmer. Slowly add 2 cups of heavy cream. Add 2 ounces of cooking sherry, and we're going to let this simmer for a few minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Now let's cut the lobster meat into chunks and add it to the soup. Allow the lobster meat to warm up inside the bisque. Finish the soup by flaming a little cognac, and of course, we finish it with butter. This is classic lobster bisque. If you'd like this recipe, just visit foodguru.com where you can print the recipe and rewatch the video. I'm Peter Harmon, and this has been another Food Guru Moment.